This is the gardening family. Welcoming y'all back to my gardening channel. Welcome back, Gardening Fantastics. My garden family and I hope that you'll enjoy this gardening episode, and hopefully it'll inspire you to want to garden too. Thanks for your time and support. Man, Gardening Fantastics, I guess y'all can see those are my sunflower seeds. My sunflowers growing. Hope they get real big. I'm gonna take you over here to the others. Down in here, there's one. Hope you guys can hear me. How y'all doing? Gardening Fantastics. Sharing with y'all my sunflowers growing. Hopefully that's basil. A lot of this stuff needs to be separated. I don't know about all this companion stuff. I think I sprinkled one in this pot here, but I don't know. But that's what this is about. My other little plants, they need some maintenance. And when I feel like I got the strength, I will do so. So far, this is just about my sunflower seeds. So hopefully, when they get big enough, it'll be something new is happening. Okay, thanks y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to use that thumbs up button. Don't forget to invite me to your channel after you subscribe to my channel. Or if I'm subscribing first, please come back and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, you guys. Have a great gardening day. Thanks for your time and support.